How does Cash App Afterpay work? Know before you buy. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Are you curious how Cash App's Afterpay feature really works? Whether you're planning a big purchase or just want more flexibility at checkout, this video will walk you through everything you need to know before you click Buy Now. So first, the question is, what is Cash App Afterpay? Cash App Afterpay is a built-in buy now, pay later feature that lets you divide qualifying purchases into four interest-free installments spaced out over 6 weeks. So here's the catch. It works directly inside the Cash App. You don't need a separate Afterpay account and the entire process happens from your phone. So let's say you purchase something for $200 or $150. With Afterpay through Cash App, you only pay $50 upfront. The rest is split into three equal payments automatically deducted every 2 weeks. Meanwhile, the merchant gets paid in full immediately by Afterpay minus a processing fee. Afterpay takes on the risk, not the seller. So you can access Cash App Afterpay in two main ways. At checkout, when shopping online with a partnered retailer, just choose Cash App Afterpay during checkout. Post purchase conversion. If you've used your Cash App card recently, within the past 7 days, you may be able to convert that purchase into an installment plan. Just tap into your Activity tab, choose the transaction, and if it qualifies, hit Convert to Afterpay. There is a note that the minimum purchase must be $25 or more, and the store must accept Cash App payments. So here's the timeline of the payment schedule. Four equal payments, one every 2 weeks, 0% interest if you pay on time. Late fees may apply if payments are missed. You can also pay early or enable autopay to avoid surprises. Typical transaction ranges $35 to $1,000. Your personal limit depends on your location, account history, and usage behavior. Not all purchases will be eligible for conversion. So, does it affect credit score? Nope. Afterpay via Cash App uses soft checks only, which don't show up on your credit report. But be careful, missing payments may restrict your access to the feature in the future. So, how to track or manage payments? Inside Cash App, go to the Activity tab, select your Afterpay transaction, and view. Next, payment due, total balance left, option to pay early or adjust payment method. And if anything goes wrong, say a return or a discharge dispute, you'll handle it directly through Cash App support, not a separate Afterpay portal. But before you use it, buy now, pay later tools like this can make it very easy to overspend. Use it wisely, especially for wants, not needs. And remember, Afterpay is great for flexibility, not a substitute for budgeting. So that's everything you need to know about using Afterpay with Cash App. If this helped clarify things, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful tips on smart digital spending. And if you'd like to support the channel, hit the thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.